Welcome to Ciudad Quesada, a vibrant residential community on Spain's Costa Blanca, known for its year-round sunshine, excellent amenities, and peaceful inland setting just minutes from the Mediterranean beaches. The tour begins in the spacious living room. Featuring a comfortable sitting lounge centered around a functional fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. From there, we move into the modern kitchen, equipped with integrated white goods and designed for everyday practicality. Next, the three well-proportioned bedrooms come into view, each accompanied by its own renovated bathroom. The bathrooms are clean, contemporary, and finished to a high standard. We then step out to the glazed terrace, or conservatory, which can be fully closed to capture warmth from the winter sun or opened wide in summer to let in the refreshing breeze. From this bright space, the view opens to the private plot, including a fully glazed grill bar that provides weather-independent outdoor entertaining all year round. The highlight of the garden is the private swimming pool, offering ample space for swimming laps or simply relaxing with family during the warm summer months. Ascending to the roof terrace, solar panels are prominently installed. The solarium itself provides generous space for a sitting lounge and even a whirlpool, creating an ideal spot to unwind. Here, you can enjoy stunning sunsets over the nearby Pink Salt Lake, or Laguna Rosa, with its distinctive hues, or catch beautiful Mediterranean sunrises in the opposite direction. This villa combines comfortable indoor living with exceptional outdoor features in a convenient location. What was your favorite part of this video? Let us know in the comments below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more property tours on the Costa Blanca.